Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Unhinged Karen Turns Simple Traffic Stop into 3 Felonies by Inspector Ted.
Can you hop out?
Yeah.
Here, open your window. Hop out.
Stop.
Hop out.
Touch me.
Hop out. Hop out.
Dude, no.
Oh, when they start the video off like this, that means somebody going to jail.
Go with me, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Go with me.
Oh, you want to kick?
You're hurting my arm.
Quit resisting.
I'm not.
Quit resisting.
That is not the way you deal with officers if you don't want to go to jail.
On March 3rd, 2024, an officer from the Will County Sheriff's Office conducted a traffic stop after locating a vehicle without a front windshield. Upon approaching the vehicle, the officer was met with an outrageous woman who made it clear that this would not be a simple encounter.
Why would you be doing some shit like that anyway? What happened to your front windshield? It's against driving the car guidelines.
How you doing, miss? Are you Carissa? You got a warrant.
No, I don't.
You got 2, actually. Yeah. Yep. So can you hop out for me?
Why?
I don't know. Did you miss traffic or something? Miss court date? Yep.
He did just ask you to get out the car.
Here, can you hop out?
Yeah.
706 Ted.
Here, open your window.
Oh, yeah, I got you, bro.
Open it. I'm gonna break your window.
She just closed the door on him.
Get out.
The woman, 34-year-old Carissa Heelan, had an active arrest warrant
We 34 years old and we acting like this. We got to do better.
for failing to appear at a traffic court hearing. This time, she also made it clear that if it were up to her, this would not be an easy encounter. However, the officer would not tolerate her disruptive behavior, and she would soon receive a reality check that made it clear who the real authority at the scene
Is she
was.
living in her car?
In my car, I can't get a talk.
Sure.
Dude.
Hop out.
Stop.
Hop
Don't
out.
touch me.
Hop out. Hop out.
Dude, no. What are you
Hop out.
doing?
Come on.
The more you do this type of shit, the more charges you're gonna get. Just comply, because it's not gonna go the way you think it's gonna go. All it's gonna do is put you in a world full of hurt, and you're gonna be on the ground while cars are passing by. Who the fuck wants to do that?
Stop. Why, bro? Let go of me. What the?
And as soon as a woman calls me bro, instant red flag.
I'm 10-4. Can you roll me a second? I'm gonna have to team 195. Get out.
Dude, what? Get go of me, dude.
Out of the
Let go of me. You are you
Oh,
kidding me?
out of the car.
Are you kidding me?
Out of the
Dude.
well, you can add a resistance charge and assault on a peace officer charge to that.
Get out of the car now.
Are you? Are you?
She definitely needs to be arrested.
Are you?
Getting pulled out by your britches is crazy.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, it's 2 people there?
Dude, you're hurting my arm.
Quit resisting.
I'm not. You
You're under
fucking
arrest.
idiot.
Quit resisting.
You. Dude, let go of me. My fucking last night.
You didn't even have to do all of that. You should have just went peacefully and just stepped out the car. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Can't see.
I need you, Toy.
At this point, Carissa's childish and shameful behavior was undeniable. She punched the officer, believing she could overpower him. Unfortunately for the officers at the scene, her wannabe tough behavior was far from over.
what do you mean it was far from over?
At 6 up 10-4.
There's more? Oh, gosh.
County on seat. I got 195.
Bro, my glasses are gonna break.
Oh,
You idiot.
oh, sit down. Damn, you just got like
No, what the fuck
4
you're
or 5
doing?
films.
I would have felt so whole if somebody pulled me out of the car by my pants.
Well, you do. I'm telling you now.
Don't touch me.
They wouldn't go through all that if you didn't have a warrant.
Don't touch me. Stop.
Me either.
Stop. No.
Stop.
I can't.
You're oh, we have them.
No,
Stop.
my phone.
Stop.
I need to call someone for my shit.
Yeah, I'm good. I got
This is prime example of somebody never being told no in their life.
my second car with me. She's in cuffs.
No, why? Like, what the fuck are you doing?
Well, you can worry about that later.
No, dude.
Facts.
Get my glasses.
I will get them.
Dude, what the fuck? You guys really, like,
So her phone doesn't.
what the fuck?
That's crazy. You went from a traffic warrant to now you're getting aggravated
I didn't
battery
do
to a PO.
anything.
Yeah, you did. You punched me.
I didn't punch you,
The
dude.
best
And she kicked.
part about me having a body camera is it's gonna see
Why are
everything.
you even doing that to me?
Because you're under arrest.
Impossible.
You're under arrest.
I didn't know.
Oh, you didn't know that there was a body cam on him recording this whole entire thing. So you thought you could just do what the you wanted to do and that was it, right? This is why I love body cams. They just show everything. They're like the best thing since sliced bread, bro.
You did know, because I told you you're under arrest.
Just stop. I didn't. Please don't do that to me.
No, you are.
You're cooked. Stick a fork in you. You're done.
Dude, I didn't punch you.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Where?
Right in the chest.
Ha! Did she really just say she didn't punch him? I know you fucking lying. You be able to call him from the jail.
Well, you ain't getting them now.
What? Can you stop talking shit? You're a f***ing bitch.
See ya.
You're a young little bitch.
In jail.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I probably would be talking more shit than the officer did. The officer's doing really good though. He's keeping his composure. She'd call him every extremity that you can call him in to piss him off or aggravate him, and he's keeping his cool and just doing what he needs to do to get this shit over with.
Oh my god.
Listen, let me explain to you something, okay? Let me explain.
Please don't tell me she's about to have a whole daddy meltdown now.
What, bro? I just.
Leave everything in your pockets.
Okay? So just let me tell you something, okay? One way or the other.
I hate
Listen,
you.
listen. One way or the other.
Shit, nobody don't like being caught.
Going to Will County, okay? So, okay, well,
Family.
right now, he doesn't have to let you call until you get to the jail. So if you start being decent, maybe he will.
Nah, you punched him in the face. Hey, I'm not giving you shit. I'm not even giving you the bucket to piss in.
Okay. Well, just start being decent, okay?
Despite her efforts, her aggression failed to free her from the situation, and she was now on a direct path toward the harsh consequences of her actions.
I'm not doing you a single favor. You're not calling no one, nothing. You got a cage? I'll put her in there.
Damn it. I didn't hate you.
Yeah, you did.
What's your name? What's his name?
It'll be on your felony arrest report.
Felony?
Yeah.
Stop.
Sit down.
Stop. You cannot. Please.
Absolutely. You're
No.
probably gonna catch like 2 or 3 of them.
Stop. Please don't do that to me. Please. I have kids and I didn't.
You should have thought about that before you punched the cop in his fucking face. Like, what did you think was gonna happen, babe?
Please. Stop. Please.
Appreciate it, dude. I'm about to get Western there for a minute. I got the camera on. I reached in, it was
They all laughing at her dumbass.
on. Everything else, so. Misdemeanor in traffic, bullshit, yeah.
Crazy.
So. Alright, let me toss her car real quick. She's under arrest, so I'm just gonna run him anyways.
I'm good. I'll stay and help you with what you need.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, don't tell me she been messing around.
Sits. Sits.
I ain't gonna lie. I definitely want to give me one of those type of dogs. In the door? That jump up, does that mean that he smelled something right there? Or he's just looking? Oh, he's got someone on that front door for sure. Oh, this is going to be excellent.
Yes! Come on! That's a good job. Good job, buddy.
What she got now?
Good lady. You want to help me toss this?
What she got in there?
She's got 2 fucking warrants. I walk up, she's all good, and all of a sudden she rolls the windows up, locks the fucking doors. So I'm like, just get out. Who cares, right? The traffic warrants. Sure. So she gets out. I'm not getting out. So I go to grab her. She fucking punches me, and then I jump in her car, and the fucking fight starts.
If she got drugs in there, that's gonna be 3 felonies.
Thank you for putting it in fucking park, because I was pretty sure I was fighting her the whole time. The car was in fucking
I was
drive.
trying to get the keys out, but it's a push button.
In the end, Carissa was arrested for aggravated battery against a police officer and resisting arrest. She was also taken into custody on her outstanding warrant.
That was the dumbest she could have done. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. As always, it's been a pleasure. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the page out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.